Stretch.
White Lightning.
Kind of disappointed because the first video we tried sucked because he messed up. I just gotta say the same thing over and over. Anyways, this song called "Getting It" by Us.
It's about some yoga pants because we love yoga pants. So
We like girls that get it in there.
might as well rap about that.
Follow us on Twitter. Stretch_swag15. Swag with 2 G's.
TG_Adam, capital A.
All right, here we go. Right here. Get at me. Mm-hmm. I'm jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. I bought it, I smack it. It jigging round, she get it.
Okay.
It jigging round, she get it.
Okay.
It jigging round, she get it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I bought it. It jigging round, she get 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 it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, go floss it. I bought it, I smack it. It jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. It's bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. Bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. It jigging round, she get it.
Okay.
It jigging round, she get it.
Bring it up.
It jigging round, she get it.
Bring it up.
It jigging round, she get it.
Bring it up.
Like bought it, I smack it. It jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. I bought it, I smack it.
Okay.
I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. It jigging round, she get it. Hey.
Figure so exotic, the pants make me erotic. Them yoga pants she got, yeah, you know that I bought it. I asked her if she liked it. She asked me, do I want it?
Yeah.
I said, just let me smack that thing, even for a little bit.
Hey, I'm riding around, I'm getting it. It jigging round, she get it. It jigging round, she get it. I bought it, I smack it.
Okay.
I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it.
Okay.
I bought it, I smack it. She jigging around, she get it.
Okay.
She walking around, she get it.
What?
She walking around, she get it.
What?
She running around, she get it. I love it, I stare it. She jigging around, she get it. She gliding around, she get it. She scoping around, she get it. I like it, I smack 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 it. It jigging around, she get 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 it. I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, 2 hands. I bought it, hey, I bought it, I smack it. You hear the part? I smack it. You hear the part? I smack it. You get it off, she back. I bought it, she smacked it. Hey,
I'm walking around my side of Avila, yoga pants, catch me staring. I have a girl, I have a smile. Those pants Uggs be every style.
Hey.
Midnight black, that silky type. Her ass allergic to the offering type.
Hey.
Take your wife, it's like give her back. I have no game, Pontiac. Still none, a different level maybe. Still a virgin though, wish I had a Mercedes.
Benz.
But I'm really cute, so I'll make her cute, baby.
Infant.
White, lightning, quaking shit. Earthquakes down in Haiti.
Hey, I'm riding around, she get it. She jigging around, she dig it. She jigging around, I like it. I'm riding, I smack it.
Okay.
I bought it, I smack it.
Okay.
I bought it, I smack it. I bought it, I smack it. She jigging around and get it. She jigging around, she get it. She jigging around, she get it. I like it when she get it. She walking, I smack it. I walk it, I smack it. I walk it, I smack it. I like it, I smack it. I'm flossing how she get it. Hey, walk around, she get it. Walking around, she get it. 2 guns up, I'm getting it. I love it, I'm smacking. I'm loving, I'm smacking. I'm loving, I'm smacking. I'm loving, I'm smacking. She ride around, she get it.
Okay.
Alright, there you have it. Getting it. Yoga pants. Doing it big. Follow us on Twitter, like I said. Down the mention bar, down under there. Right down there somehow. Yeah. Alright, get it. White black boy.
White lightning.
You know, interracial loving. Get at us.
Short hair don't care.
Hey.